So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your team inside of the software. We're going to start from the dashboard view and then select the setup. After selecting setup, you'll see that the preparer is the first thing you see. So what you'll do is select the add new preparer and then follow the instructions given above. Your account name and password, I would highly suggest you write it down for your tax professionals, just so it's a smooth and easy transition for them to get into the software. Now, please note that you can only change the software password once every 24 hours. So it's really important to write it down. Once you see all green checks, you know your password is strong enough for you to move forward. Always feel comfortable in tabbing throughout the software as well. You can navigate pretty fast if you don't want to use your mouse. Here are other credentials listed. We're going to do prepare, then make sure we enter in the pizza numbers. Make sure you put the best contact number on file so that you're able to properly authenticate in and out of the software. If you have a tax professional that's operating and servicing any of the following areas here, I highly suggest you to make sure that you put the correct information. Sometimes using a mouse will cause you to auto-populate information you don't mean to. So always double check the boxes just to make sure that the information inputted is the most accurate. Now, the question, do you want to list if this person will be working in your office, then you want to say yes if you want them to be able to see all of the taxpayers in the system. If you don't want them to see all the taxpayers in the system and only the taxpayers that they input inside of the system under their username, then you will say no. Now, normally the options selected for a tax professional in the office is file amended, print tax forms, email, client, scheduler, letters, forms, and tools. Now, all of these are indeed at your discretion always, but normally the options selected for new relationships are these here. If it's a opportunity where you're partnering with someone and allowing them to assist with modifying invoice pricing, then you would say this option here. Otherwise, if they're just a preparer in the office and you review the returns as final before transmitting, then you would leave that box unchecked. But for the most part, we've entered all the important information here. So we're going to select create new user. From here, you will set up security questions based on the following credentials. Now, for now, I'm just going to skip it and we're going to move forward. Now, I highly suggest, even if you decide to skip the security questions, that you set up login security because it authenticates based on that person's number on file as well as that email on file. For the sake of time, I'm going to skip it, but feel comfortable in taking your time and selecting the option and also reaching out if you need any guidance with setting it up. But it's pretty simple. You just want to make sure you use the same contact number and email that you put under the preparer information. Select complete, and voila, we've added our first, well, not our first, but our fifth preparer. And bye for now.